No, ma'am. Like in the portion, even in the boards, we won't have 3D. We only have, I think, only 2D
Sokka Toa to
shapes.
hoga. Sokka Toa hoga, and then angle of elevation, angle of depression, sine rule, cosine rule. All those things will be there, Dia.
Only the basics are there, ma'am.
Yes. So dear, can you just share with me the syllabus आपकी टीचर ने जो बोला है for trigonometry?
Yes, ma'am. I'll just check what's written.
Uh, uh, and for core maths, dear, which is your book? Can you help me out? Is
We have the
this your
same
book?
book.
This one?
We have the same book. Oh, yeah, ma'am. This one. I can't
Okay.
see your screen.
Can't see the screen.
No, ma'am. I can't see you sharing.
No, no, not the whiteboard. I'm sharing the book PDF.
Yeah, ma'am. I can't see it.
Now?
No, ma'am. It's come. Your name thing is coming. Like, yeah, now I can see it.
Yeah, this is the book, right?
Yes, ma'am. This is what we have.
Okay. So, bacha, we'll start
So,
off with the
ma'am,
basics of.
for
हाँ, बोलो.
trigonometry, we have only 10.1 to 10.6.
10.1 to 10.6.
Yes,
Okay,
that's
no
it, ma'am.
problem. So, bacha, but then also we have to learn the basics, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, we'll start off with basics today.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, you are acquainted with a few words or few terms जो trigonometry में use होता है. We generally use
Yeah, ma'am. Sine, cos, and tan.
sine, cos, and tan. Okay, very basic things. So, bacha, for that, initially we need to know Pythagoras theorem, right? And the
Yes, ma'am.
rules जो sine, tan, and cos use हो रहा है, basically is only when you are having a right angle triangle. If it's
Okay,
not a
ma'am.
right angle triangle, आपके लिए difficult हो जाता है to use the sine, cosine, मतलब sine, cos, and tan. You won't be able to figure it out. So we learn first Pythagoras theorem here. I think आपको थोड़ा भी idea होगा about Pythagoras theorem.
Yeah.
Okay. So Pythagoras theorem is only applicable to a right angle triangle. Okay. Now this side, which is just opposite to the 90-degree, is called the hypotenuse, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And the other two sides are either called the opposite side or the दोनों में से एक नाम बोलो,
Adjacent.
right? So if I'm talking
Yes, ma'am.
about this angle, Dia, which is my opposite side? Let me name them A, B, and C. Which is the opposite side?
The hypotenuse.
No, no, no. Hypotenuse is always fixed. 90-degree
Oh,
के
you're talking about the
just
C angle.
yeah, I'm talking about C
Opposite to
angle when
C, it's AB.
AB. So, bacha, for this, when I'm talking with respect to angle C, this side becomes opposite and this side is called the adjacent side.
Adjacent.
Okay. Now let's see, Dia, I'm talking about this angle, angle A. Then what?
Yes, ma'am.
Then what is
Angle
which is the opposite
A
side?
or BC.
Yes. Now when I'm talking about angle A, BC becomes opposite side and AB becomes the adjacent side. But the
Adjacent.
hypotenuse remains the same. It doesn't matter आपका adjacent side कौन सा है,
Same.
opposite side कौन सा है, you'll always have that angle as hypotenuse. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now learn the three basic functions which we use: sine, cos, and tan. Now do you
Tan.
know how do I find sine, cos, and tan, Dia? Which side upon which
No,
side
ma'am.
is
I get
called sine?
confused.
Okay. Sine is always opposite upon hypotenuse.
Okay,
जो
ma'am.
भी एंगल के रेस्पेक्ट में यू आर टॉकिंग उसका ऑपोजिट साइड अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज दिया. फर्स्ट यू लिसन बच्चा, आई गिव यू टाइम टू नोट इट डाउन. ठीक है, आई टेल यू व्हेन टू कॉपी
Okay,
डाउन.
ma'am.
पहले आप सुन लो, समझ लो, एंड देन आई गिव यू टाइम टू नोट इट डाउन. Sine is always
Okay,
opposite
ma'am.
upon hypotenuse. Cos is always
Hypotenuse.
adjacent side upon hypotenuse.
Okay, ma'am.
And tan is opposite upon adjacent. Or one more formula, that is sine upon cos, which is one and the same thing. See, if I say sine upon cos, sine is what? Opposite by hypotenuse divided by
Yes, ma'am.
adjacent by hypotenuse, which eventually becomes O upon H multiplied by H upon A. H cancel, so you get O upon A only,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So what is the formula? Sine stands for opposite by hypotenuse, cos stands for adjacent side by hypotenuse, and tan stands for opposite side by adjacent side. Okay. The
Hypotenuse.
shortcut to remember this is so ka toa. Sokatoa. You'll find this many a
Okay,
times
ma'am.
used by many of the students and teachers. Now, what is it? Sine is equal to opposite by adjacent, cos is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, and tan is equal to opposite by adjacent. So ये जो basic function है आपका, उसका shortcut है. Sokatoa. Clear? इतना याद रहेगा
Yes,
आपको?
ma'am.
Now, note it
Yes,
down,
ma'am.
all these things in your notebook, and then we'll proceed.
Ma'am, I can only see. I cannot see everything that you're writing. I can only see like till the triangle and the opposite upon adjacent.
Turn off your camera and turn it on, Vidya. Check it likewise. Maybe thoda, your network is little slow.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah, I got it.
Please put Sokatoa in brackets so that you always remember.
Ma'am, I didn't understand what sin upon cos is used for. Sine, sorry.
But I'll tell you, sine is basically these are used to figure out the angles or the sides for this. आप पहले इतना कर लो, then I'll one by one I'll take up sine, cos, and tan individually.
Okay, ma'am.
It isn't sin, bacha. The actual
Sine.
pronunciation, yes, it's SINE. Okay, but shortcut
Okay,
for
ma'am.
that we write it as SIN, sine.
Yeah, ma'am,
Yeah.
I'm done with that much.
Okay. Now let's say this is a right angle triangle. With a 90-degree this side, name it as PQR. Okay, if this is 3, this is 4, dear, can you find out the length of PR?
Yes, ma'am.
Find out. How do I get it? By using Pythagoras theorem?
25, right?
No.
Cube 5 will be 5.
Yes, it will be 5. Okay. Now, but your side, so you could figure it out. What if I want to know what is the measurement of angle R? I want to know what angle is angle R making. कितना angle है angle R का? So what you'll
Uh,
use is you'll try to figure out a relationship. Now see, you know SOHCAHTOA, okay? So now बच्चे, this is entirely your judgments. आपको judge करना रहेगा. Now I need to figure out this angle. So I can use two things. This is hypotenuse for me always.
Yes, ma'am.
This is now, if this is the angle, this is the opposite side and this is the adjacent side.
Yes,
But
ma'am.
for finding out this angle, can I say, can I use the relationship opposite upon hypotenuse? Sine
Yeah,
theta
ma'am.
is equal
You
to
can even
opposite
use
by.
tan.
Yes, I can even use tan theta, saying 3 upon 4. यहाँ पे opposite side is 3 upon adjacent side, hypotenuse is 5. Right? Can I use
Yes, ma'am.
cos here?
Uh,
No.
no, because
Finding out
the
cos is worthless. Why? Because if you get the cos value, you'll have to use adjacent by hypotenuse.
hypotenuse.
If you want to use cos here, cos theta will be 4 upon 5. In
5,
this very
yes.
particular question, I gave you all the three sides. But in exam questions or the questions which you are about to do, all the things won't be given to you. So आपको एक ही देंगे आपको, एक या दो ही चीज देंगे. So आप you will be very restricted with which kind of angles to use. ठीक है? Now,
Yes,
bacha,
ma'am.
how do I get the value of theta now? Let's say I'm using sine. I like sine, so I'll use sine. So I came to know sine theta is equal to 3 upon 5. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
दिया म्यूट करो बच्चा, बहुत बैकग्राउंड नॉइज है. So how do I get the value of theta? I'll take sine on the other side. I'll take sine on the other side. So when I take sine on the other side, it becomes sine inverse. Sine inverse of what? 3 upon 5. You have your calculator with you, Dia?
Ma'am, I'll just get it 1 second.
Quick, Dia. And maths lecture may please sit ready with your notebook and your calculators, okay? Calculator is a must. Do not sit without calculators.
Yes, ma'am, I got it.
You got your calculator? Okay. Find out, write this on your calculator. Sine inverse within brackets 3 upon 5.
Ma'am, I'm not sure how to write it.
But there is which calculator you have? उसमें sine inverse का option होगा ना बच्चा? Can you see sine written there? SINE, SIN.
There's I think I know, but like there's this trigonometry ka option in that there's sine, cos, tan, C, SC, sec,
हाँ, so लिखो वहां
ters.
पे लिखो sine inverse, do sine inverse वहां पे.
Yes, ma'am.
ब्रैकेट के अंदर write down 3 divided by 5. You'll get a value.
Ma'am, inverse, I don't know how to put.
बच्चा वहां पे एक एब्सोल्यूट का साइन होगा ना, INV करके लिखा होगा, INV. Just check.
No, there's no inverse. I'll have to write it then on top. 1 second.
बच्चा वो automatically they tell you. Wait. Show me a calculator. Wait, I will have to pin it. Oh, अच्छा, this one. Okay, बच्चा see functions में where can you find sine inverse?
I can see this. Okay, yeah, I got it. This one, right?
It will look like this only. Yes, sine inverse. Write down 3
Yeah,
divided by
ma'am.
5.
0.64.
So that means the measurement of that angle is that much. Samjha? What is the measurement of the angle theta? It's 0.65 degrees, let's say. Understood? Diya samjha?
Yes, ma'am.
If I'm
Yes, ma'am.
using sine. Now, if I'm using, let's say, tan. So, bacha, tan ke liye what will I write? I'll write theta is equal to tan inverse 3 upon 4. Check tan inverse 3 upon 4. ये आपका headphones नहीं लगा हुआ है.
It's 0.64 again.
0.64 degrees. Okay, 64 again. So, bacha, if you do any this thing, even if you do cos inverse 4 upon 5 for the same triangle, you'll get 0.64 only. So that means आप कोई भी निकालो, ठीक है, sin, cos, tan, you'll get the same answer. But the problem here is for all the questions, you won't be given such things. All the three sides won't be given to you. Now, let's say I'll give you a question. जहाँ पे you will tell me which rule to use. Okay, let's say this is 90 degree, this is 25 centimeters, and this is 33 degrees. Okay, you need to find out the value of this side. Which rule should I apply? Yeah, sine, cos, या tan.
Ma'am, tan.
Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Tan, what is the rule for tan? Tan is,
Opposite and adjacent.
but this if this is the angle, this is the opposite, and this is the adjacent. Both are unknown. How will you find out tan?
Ma'am, because opposite is 33 and adjacent is 25.
But who said the adjacent is 25? आपको right angle triangle में one thing दिया, you have to be very clear. 90 degree के opposite side is always the hypotenuse.
Oh, okay, yes, ma'am.
Doesn't matter what is given to you.
So it'll be hypotenuse and opposite. That'll be sine.
Sine opposite sine 33 degree is equal to. प्रिया प्लीज हेडफोन्स लगा लो ना बच्चा, बहुत इको हो रहा है वॉइस.
Yes, ma'am, I can.
ओके ओके, नाउ बेटर. ना दिया, कैन यू अभी आपने जो जजमेंट किया, डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ टू जज इट बच्चा?
Yeah,
हाइपोटेनियस विल
ma'am.
ऑलवेज बी द ऑपोजिट साइड ऑफ 90 डिग्री, दैट्स फॉर श्योर. ठीक है, एंड जो
Okay,
एंगल
ma'am.
दिया है अकॉर्डिंगली यू विल नेम इट एज O and A. So bacha,
H.
since O is to be found out and H is given, so you'll use the relationship of OH, that is sine. So that means it becomes sine 33 degree is equal to O is X and H is 25 centimeters. Yeah,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
So how do I get the value of X? Therefore, X is equal to sine 33 degree multiplied with 25 centimeters. Now do it on your calculator. Sine 33 into 25 centimeters. कितना आया?
Ma'am, it'll come in the bracket only.
No बच्चा, so sin 33 लिखो, whatever press equal to whatever you get, then multiply 25 centimeters with the answer.
$0.99.
No बच्चा, sin 33 का वैल्यू कितना है आपको on your calculator?
0.99.
Okay, so this is 0.99 multiplied with 25 centimeters. Are you sure?
24 is the answer.
No, no, no.
24.99.
Okay, try writing 25 sin 33 on your calculator. 25 sin 33. 25 into sin 33.
24.99.
24.99. Okay. Chalo. Did you understand how to figure out sides now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Chalo. One more question, and there you need to figure out which rule to use.
Okay, ma'am.
Once you are happy with the rules finding out, so then I'll give you few set of questions to do. And let's say this is 90
Yes,
degree, this is 53 degree, and this is 18 centimeter. First name all the sides in your notebook.
ma'am, we have to use tan, right?
Why बच्चा tan? आप reason बताओगे please?
Opposite and adjacent.
Wait, which is the opposite side?
Okay,
Which is
no,
the
they've not
adjacent
given
side?
the opposite. So it'll be adjacent and hypotenuse.
Adjacent and hypotenuse.
Cos.
Correct.
Ma'am, so I'll have to write cos 53 is equal to x upon 18, right? Ma'am, what is inverse used for?
Which inverse is used when the angle is given to you. Okay. Now let's say if you do now in this case, this angle is given to you, right? So sine
Yes,
won't
ma'am.
go on the other side. But if let's say they give you sine theta is equal to 33 by 25. Now to find out the value of theta, you have to take sine on the other side. So when you take sine on
No,
the other
ma'am,
side,
but
it will become.
when do you know that you have a theta?
But when they tell you to find out the angle, they give you the sides and they tell you to find out the angle.
So
जब भी
side
angle
you don't
निकालना
need
होगा,
inverse, and when it's angle, you need inverse.
yes, when it's angle, we need inverse.
Okay, got it. Ma'am, I'm getting the answer as 0.18.
0.18. No, it's entirely wrong, बच्चा. ऐसे कैसे आएगा? Cos
Because I did
53
cos 53 multiplied by 18.
x by 18, बच्चा. X will be 18 into cos 53, which will come as 10.83. Check on your calculator.
Ma'am, cos 53 is coming as minus 0.91.
नहीं बच्चा. It's 0.01, 0.60116, somewhat like that.
It's when I did cos 53, it's coming minus 0.918283.
No, dear. Okay, now dear, check one thing, whether you're getting your answers in degrees or radiant. There is RAD on your calculator. Can you see that?
Yeah.
उसको दबाओ.
Okay, it's degree now.
How
Okay,
much
now
are
I'm
you
getting
getting?
it as
10.83 आ रहा है?
0.6. 0.6.
No, बच्चा, see, cos 53 का value would be 0.18, right?
0.6.
018, right? अब एक decimal place तक क्यों आ रहा है आपके calculator पे?
No, 0.6018, yes.
Right? Multiply it with 18 now. It will come 10.83 centimeters.
Yeah, it was on rad, not degree. Now I got 10.83.
आया ना? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now dear, these were finding when the angles are given and you need to find out the sides. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we'll do two questions when angle is missing and sides are given to us.
Okay, ma'am.
Now let's say this is my right angle triangle. They have given this as 10 centimeters. This is given as 20 centimeters. You need to find out this angle and this is 90 degree. Now kid, which sides have they given to you?
The hypotenuse and the adjacent.
Bacha.
Sorry,
Adjacent
hypotenuse and opposite.
Yes. So opposite and adjacent का के लिए which rule is applicable? What is the relationship between opposite and hypotenuse?
Sine.
Cut over. So cut over. Yes, sine. So bacha, you'll say sine theta ma'am, is equal to opposite side, that is 10 centimeter upon 20 centimeter, right? Centimeter cancel. So basically sine theta is equal to half. So now with sine theta, I cannot find out the value, right? So for finding
Yes,
out the
ma'am.
theta here, I'll do sine inverse half. So do it on your calculator. See what value are you
So,
getting?
ma'am,
Sine inverse half.
so when sine inverse, we have to do the suppose opposite upon hypotenuse, and when the same thing only the side is the angles are given, then you have to do sine is equal to x upon sine
तो
33
ऑटोमेटिकली
suppose.
होता है, सी दिया, दैट हैपेंस ऑटोमेटिकली. जो चीज ढूंढना है फॉर फिगरिंग दैट आउट, that will happen automatically. Now let's say the rule is always sine theta is equal to O upon H,
Yes, ma'am.
right? If you have to find out O, find O, so you'll bring H this side, so it will become
Yes,
sine
ma'am.
theta into H is equal to O, correct?
Yes, yes,
जो
ma'am.
चीज मिसिंग है to find out that. Now let's say if you need to find out H, तो बच्चा क्या करना पड़ेगा? You'll have to write sine theta into H is equal to O, then H is equal to O divided
O
by
upon.
sine theta, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm using the same formula to find out all this. If I need to find out the theta, then what I have to do? I have to take sine on the other side. So theta will become sine inverse of O upon H. So it's the
Okay,
same
ma'am. Got
formula.
it.
It's just that जो ढूंढना है, accordingly you frame your formula. You use your formula. You don't have to remember this. ये automatically
Okay, ma'am.
याद रह जाता है. Okay. Now back to this question. What is theta of sine inverse half?
I'll just find that. 1 second.
You can take 2 seconds, बच्चा.
Ma'am, I'm getting 0.523.
बच्चा again आप check करो degree and radian वाला चीज. Sine inverse half is 30.
It's getting converted into rad again and again.
बच्चा वहां पे then you have to make sure you don't get that rad वाला आंसर गलती से भी.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
क्लियर हुआ?
30.
अभी कब? It's 30. Yes. So you will always have to remember बच्चा, angles will never be zero. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Rarest of the rarest होता है, like in like 1 million questions they give you a question where the angle is 0 degree. So अगर आपका 0 point something आ रहा है, that means definitely your calculator is
It's wrong.
on different mode. It's on different
Yes,
mode.
ma'am.
ठीक है? So here are few questions. Dia, I would like you to solve and give me the answers. In some of them you
Okay,
may
ma'am.
have to find out the sides, and some of them you may have to find out the angles. So that's
Angle.
up to you. You'll draw the diagrams in your notebook. Angles can also come in decimals, bacha. If they come in decimals, take up to one decimal place, round it.
Okay, ma'am.
Dia, have they completed this topic in school?
Yes, ma'am. From I think 16 to no 10.1 to 10.6.
And I think then they will teach you sine and cosine rule also, because that will also be there. That's one of the basic important topics. So they teach every year. I think they'll teach you, but maybe later.
I'm
Chalo.
not sure. Sir said only this much is coming for even the boards, and now they started bearings.
Okay, but the bearing is a part of this topic only. After this, when you learn this SOHCAHTOA properly, the next topic which you have here only is bearing. And
Okay,
then
ma'am.
after bearing is done, we teach sine and cosine rules. Okay,
Okay,
chalo.
ma'am.
No problem. We have sufficient time. Chalo. There are 4 questions. I would like you to give me the answers to.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, in the first question, the A has to be found, right?
Yes. What's the value of angle A?
I'm finding it, ma'am. 1 second.
Dia, the first question was easy, bacha. It should not have taken so much time.
Yeah, I'm just putting it into the calculator. I'm getting 37.669.
So, round it up to 1 decimal place. That is
37.7.
37.7 degrees. Okay. Next one. Angle C.
Ma'am, 19.7.
19.7 degrees. Correct. Unit बोलना is important, okay? बच्चा
Yes,
try
ma'am.
to say and use units.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, 13.3.
What is 13.3?
Centimeters.
Yes, 13.3 centimeters. Correct. Last one.
Ma'am, over here we don't need to use any of sine, cos, or tan, right?
Where? Question number 4.
Okay, no, ma'am. I got confused. I'm getting 7.5 centimeters.
7 point?
5.
No, I'm not getting 7.5, bacha. Which relationship did you use?
Tan.
Why tan?
Because it's given the adjacent. Okay, no, they both are adjacent. Ma'am, it'll be tan only, right? Opposite and adjacent.
Why, bacha? This is 47 degree, no? So which is the opposite side?
90 degrees.
Bacha, 47 ka opposite is this thing, no? So this is opposite. 90 ka opposite is the hypotenuse. And this is the adjacent. what you have to find and which is given is adjacent and hypotenuse, no? Which relationship does adjacent and hypotenuse satisfy?
Adjacent and hypotenuse. Then hypotenuse. Cos.
SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA.
Cos.
Cos it. So, bacha, Diya, again I'm saying whenever a diagram is given to you, wherever they write 90 degree, just write the opposite side as h, that is the hypotenuse. जो एंगल ढूंढने बोला है या फिर they have given you the angle, take that thing as opposite and the other side as adjacent, and then search for which relationship to use. That's the only way when you can get your answers correct.
Okay,
Otherwise
so
पूरा
ma'am,
confusion रहेगा.
opposite of 90 degrees is hypotenuse and opposite of the angle that is given is opposite.
Yes, and the remaining is the adjacent one.
Ma'am, 4.8.
कैसे बच्चा
4.8.
cos 47 degree is equal to 7 upon x. So x is equal
I
to
did
7
x
upon
upon 7.
why bacha? Adjacent side, no? Adjacent is 7.
Yes, ma'am. So it will be cos 40. So how will I find out the value? Cos
7
47.
divided by 7 divided by cos 47 directly on your calculator.
$10.264. So 10.3.
264 or 3 centimeters. Clear? Tia, I think now ab aapko this part is at least clear when to use SOHCAHTOA, when to use sine, when to use cos, and when to use tan. And the concept is very clear, bacha. Just write down what things are given and which one is missing. Like always try to write out the original equation. Okay, once you write this original equation, no, next steps always becomes easy. Okay, Dia? Clear? समझा? Dia, I can't hear you.
Yes, ma'am, I got it.
Okay. So Dia, और जितना भी आज हमने किया है, I'll share a practice paper based on this simple questions of sine, cos, and tan, and you can solve few questions from a book as well. आपके book में भी there are exercises, right? You can solve those questions after understanding the concept, so maybe you'll get the correct answers this time
Okay, ma'am.
without any help. And whatever doubt you have, you can take it up in the next class.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Ma'am, when are
Chalo,
my
bye dear.
timings?
But sir, that will be intimated to you by a coordinator.
Okay, ma'am.
Sure. Bye, dear. Take care.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Welcome. Bye bye.